Diversity of butterfly in Satpura range of Khandesh region is the present topic of present presentation. This is the work of my PhD student Mr. Umesh K. Patil. We know that the butterfly are worldwide in nature. They are distributed worldwide. Total 19,288 species were reported from worldwide, whereas 1,441 in British India, in 351 in Peninsular India, 329 in Western Ghat, 177 in Central India, in Vidarbha in Maharashtra 167, and in the Maharashtra Satpura of Vidarbha region 117. But there is no work in the Khandesh region. So here we present the butterfly diversity of Satpura of Khandesh region. So we reported Papillionidae 7, Pyrrhidae butterflies 18, Nymphalidae butterflies 28, Lycaenidae 27, Hesperidae 11. In all total 91 butterfly species were reported by us in the present study. This is the present study area. This one is the India map where the Maharashtra is there, and in the Maharashtra at the corner of this the three districts are there included in the Khandesh, Nandurbar, Dhule and the Jalgaon, and at the boundary of Jalgaon, Dhule and Nandurbar, which is adjacent to Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, the Satpura mountain range is there, and where we select the 4 sites for the study of butterfly diversity. These are the latitude and longitudes of the study sites. The method we use for this is one permanent transect line will set up at each site approximately 500 meter in length with 5 meter on either side will covered in an hour walking at constant pace. Observation will taken in morning between 8 am to 11 when butterfly is most active. Every site transect line will cover 3 times in each season. Field work will do between 1 year. The year divided into 4 seasons. During transect line butterfly diversity will studied with the help of 3 methods. Visual observation and identification. Butterflies will observe visually in line transect and identify with the help of field guide. Photographic evidences in line transect butterflies photographs will capture with the help of GPS inbuilt camera for evidences of site-specific butterfly species and to make line transect maps. Capture and release method. Small size butterfly specimens will capture with handheld aerial sweep nets. Each specimen will be placed in plastic bottles. After capturing photographs, butterflies will released in field, as you see in the case of photographs. Significance of the present study is that butterflies are sensitive biota which get severely affected by the environmental variation and changes in the forest structure, as they are closely dependent on plants. They also react quickly to any kind of disturbance and changes in the habitat quality, making a good indicator to study changes in the habitat and landscape structure variations. Here an attempt will be made for the first time to understand how the distribution and variation in butterfly diversity changes in heterogeneous habitats in various sites in the Satpura of Khandesh region. However, these creatures are under a real threat due to various developmental activities leading to habitat changes. Proposed study would help to prioritize protection of these creatures. These are some photographs of the butterflies belonging to various 5 families, that is Papillionidae, Piperidae, Nymphalidae, Lycaenidae, Hesperidae. The first one is the Papillionidae. 7 species were reported. Tailed butterflies are included in this family, and these are some photographs: common marmon jay, common rose, common lime tailed jay. This is the list along with their scientific name and the status and the biotope. The next family is Pyrrhidae, includes white and yellows butterflies. 14 were reported from Khandesh region, Satpura range. Lemon immigrant, grass yellow, pioneer, white orange tip, small salmon, Arab. This is again the list along with scientific name and the status. The next family is Nymphalidae, includes tigers and fancies butterflies. 28 species were reported. These are some examples photographs of the butterflies: great egg fly, striped tiger, common crow, tawny coster, leopard, lemon pansy, yellow pansy, blue pansy. This is again the list, and the next families like Lycaenidae includes blues. 17 were reported: grass jewel, common parrot, rounded parrot, cupid, light bubble blue, lesser glass blue. The next one is the Hesperidae. 7 were found: banded owl and the rice swift. This is again the list. The family-wise distribution of butterfly species in Jalgaon district includes Nymphalidae 28 number of species, Lycaenidae 27 species, Peridea 18 species, Hesperidae 11 species, and Papilionidae 7 species. In all, 91 number of species were discovered from the Satpura range of the Khandesh region, in which rare butterfly species in Satpura Khandesh regions include spot swordtail, white Arab, common tree brown, anomalous, Nawab, joker, common cerulean, Indian red flash, angel parrot, Indian sunbeam, Indian skipper, Tamil grass dart, and 12 butterfly species rarely observed in Satpura Khandesh region. Butterfly species under Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972 includes crimson rose, common Indian crow, Daniard eggfly, gram blue, pea blue, common cerulean. That these 6 butterfly species comes under Indian Wildlife Protection Act. So and again this is because of the host plants observed in Satpura of Khandesh region, where the butterflies were live. They lay their eggs and complete their life cycle. Includes Abelomoxus, Agil marmelos, Albizia libec, Cassia semena, Cassia auriculata, Drigia olivilis, Cassia fistula, Ficus racemosa, Justicia procumbens, Sida rhombifolia, Cassia tora, Lantana camera. And along with this, the 101 species of host are present for the butterflies. These are some references. This is my student Umesh K. Patil, who is working on the butterfly diversity of the Satpura range of the Khandesh region. Thank you very much.